Hi everybody, it's Diana with StampingWithDi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 187. So it's going to be a very quick video. We just got back yesterday from BackStage in Vegas, and my head is just full of fun ideas, and then my heart is full from seeing everybody, and it was just such a great time. So but what I thought I would do is I would come on today and just show you the stuff that we got, because we got oodles. So Jeff always goes with me to the events. He has got to know quite a few of the demonstrators as well as their spouses over the years on the incentive trips. So he likes to go. I like him there, and then he also does the classes. Because he usually can remember things better than me, and it's just always fun to, when we talk about it later, and then he will take things different than I do and remember things different. But anyways, so yeah, so we had a good time, and so I'm just want to share that stuff with you. I also want to remind you that it's almost the end of the month, so it's today's the last day for my double reward points. I'll explain that more. Also, I only have a couple spots open for my virtual fall social. I'll show that. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So the weather was warm in Vegas and a little humid, but not like Arizona. Oh my gosh, we come home and it's like that. It's humid here too. So we are hoping that fall will come quickly. And it usually starts to get a little cooler in September, so fingers crossed. We got our utility bill the other day, and it always shows you what you paid last year and the year before. And you should see on the graph how much taller we used the utilities the last 2 months. So that just shows you how hot it has been. Plus, Jeff's retired now, he reminded me, so he is home all the time. So that also changes things, because of course he's out in his shop working on stuff, he's watching TVs, but still, I know it has a lot to do with the hot summer we have had. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. You didn't come here to listen about the weather. So I'm going to flip my camera. So close your eyes just for a second while I get adjusted. Okay, so let's see here. So I was reminding you of a few things, and that's the hostess code for August. So August is almost over. So if you are ordering less than $150 before tax and shipping, then please use this code. But if you're ordering more than $150 before tax and shipping, then don't use the code, because you'll still earn your goodies and guts, but you will earn the hostess benefits. So keep that in mind. All right, so today is the last day for my Country Dozen rewards, where they're double. So if you order 50, now you can get this chart on my blog, or when you place your order, I always include this in my quick email thank you, and then you'll get your thank you card later. But this is just so you can print it out and keep track. So during my double, because usually, put your name and all that good stuff. So this would be like when you order 50 before tax and shipping, you would earn a sunflower. But today ends that when you order 50 before tax and shipping, you're actually ordering you're earning 2 sunflowers. So once you get a dozen, then you can pick $35 in free. So just keep that in mind. If there's anything on your wish list, you want to make sure you get that today. Also, if you are turning in your bonus coupons that you earned in July, you want to make sure that after you apply the coupon, that it still says the 50. So also keep that in mind in order to get the double reward points, as well as the goodies and the guts, and that's the $75 order. Okay, so much to blab about. Virtual Fall Social. The registration ends on the 30th, and like I said, I only have a couple spots left. So a few more of those filled while I was gone. So what you're going to get, and I have showed you this already, but just in case you are new to my channel, you will get the So Sincere stamp set. You will also get the Festive and Fun. And you're going to get the Abundant Beauty decorative masks, and that's these here. They are amazing. They make these gorgeous sunflowers. You could make them be a daisy. And you're also going to get a pack of the small blending brushes. And of course you're going to get other stuff, you know, your cardstock, your bling, and all that kind of goodies. But that is right now, I know, like the full things, right? So till I get figuring out my order, you might get a full pack of this or that, or just a partial pack, but those are the things that are definite. Now obviously if you have these already, because I do have a lot of demonstrators take my events, if you have already pre-ordered those, you just switch those out. So I have a few people that have switched things out, so that's not a big deal. You just want to let me know right away, because I will be placing this order September the 6th once the mini catalog goes live. And so you won't be able to switch those out after that. So you need to let me know right away. All right. So like I said, early registration is ending on the 30th. And that is just, you know, right around the corner. And I only have a couple spots left. Okay. So let's get to the fun part. So I am going to, I'll show you the bag after I spin the camera. I don't want to be spinning and spinning. But we got this cute little, I'll hold it up after. I don't know if you could see it. Hey, you can see it. Look at this cute bag. I'll hold it up after. But look at this cute little bag. I'm just going to see what my computer's saying. Okay. All right. All right. So look at the cute little bag. So this was filled with, so let me put this down so I can show you. So attached to it with this beautiful scarf, unknot it. Just I love the colors. If I can get it unknotted here. I tried to put it back the way it was. All right, so hang on a second. Come on. I have to be smarter than the scarf, and that doesn't look like it's happening today. Are you kidding me? The heck? All right, there's the scarf. So isn't that gorgeous? Look at, so there was a theme, and you can see these really cute little, like these little stars. So those were kind of on things. It's the 35th anniversary for Stampin' Up. So, you know, they have the little 35 year on there, which is super fun. All right, so there's this beautiful scarf. And a lot of people were tying it around their neck, which looked really, really cute. All right. We also got a binder. And I love that it's a regular size binder, like it's a regular 3-hole binder. So you can, I mean, that's easy to get things for, right? You know, like school stuff, you know, like lined paper, whatever. So anyways, and you could take notes, and so I love that about it. So I'll be using this binder, you know, for other things. So we got that really cool binder. And let's see, what else did we get here? We also got, so we always get our name tags. So let me show you. So here's the name tag, and it had this really cute sparkly lanyard. And so we also got like a playing card, because it was in Vegas, right? And then what you wanted to do is you wanted to find other people that had a card, and then you could make like a poker hand or something, and then you got a gift. All right, so here is my lanyard, and then this was fun. So it has like this on it. So this one is really, really cute. All right, so there is my lanyard. Now Jeff also, since he pays to go, he's my supporting demonstrator, so he also, you know, has his lanyard, but they printed his wrong. So they put Diana Gibbs on his as well, and they were going to do him a new one, but they were super busy, and we were like, you know, that's totally fine. So I just adjusted his, and I just put a Mr. in front of it, Mr. Diana Gibbs, and he just kind of rolled his eyes, and I said, you know what? I have been Mrs. Jeff Gibbs forever, so he could be Mr. Diana Gibbs for a couple days. So a lot of people got a chuckle out of that, and so did I. So anyway, so there's our name tags, but they were so cute, very retro Vegas looking. All right, what else did we get? We also got these really fun patches in a cute little organza bag. So we've got a little Stampin' Up patch, and I think they might be iron-on. So I have a jean jacket, like a Stampin' Up jean jacket from forever ago. So I might put these on there, but I think you would still want to, maybe if you know a seamstress or whatever. But look how cute this is. So the palm tree, the arrow, Las Vegas, and then Las Vegas. So we have this really cute centerpiece. I'll have to show that another time because now I have it somewhere. But anyways, all right, so I'll show it another time. Okay, there's theirs. I'm not going to try to put them in there. All right, we also had a reception, and it was around the pool, and then they gave us a ticket, and then they said, make sure you turn your ticket in. And so there were these squares, and it was all lights around it, and then you would stand there, and then a white glove, so it was kind of like a magical, trick or whatever. This little white gloved hand would come out, and you would give them the ticket, and then they would, pull the ticket back, and then the gloved hand handed you this, and it was sunglasses. So isn't that so cool? So we got sunglasses. So super cute. I just thought that was so funny. All right. And then I think this is the last thing that was in the bag. Yeah. All right. So this is the last thing that was in the bag. Look how adorable this is. Now, I never even opened mine up. So let's see if I can open it up. Maybe I should have before the video. All right. So hang on a second. At first, I thought they were like shower rings. You know when you buy those shower rings at the store, they come in, they're all kind of like looped together. That's what I'm like, that's not what it is. All right, so let's get this out of here. Oh my. Let's see if I can get it out of here. I probably was supposed to push it through that hole. I opened up the wrong side. There we go. I told you I didn't open it before. I don't want to rip the box because it is so cute. But look how fun. So we've got notepad. Ooh, it's a thick notepad. Look how many that is. That's cute. Some fun pens. And they all, see what I mean by it? They all have this theme, right? So the pens match the binder. I mean, I was talking to Rachel. She's on the events, and she's also such a sweetheart, and she's the one that helped me with my $1 million stuff. And I was telling her, make sure you tell everybody, the events teams, the designers, like all of them, like how amazing, it's just so cool how it all just goes kind of together. So these are like push pins. So look how adorable those are. So anyway, all right, so those are a whole bunch of push pins. We've got our BackStage pin, some, I want to say, those aren't close pins, but oh my gosh, my memory. What the heck are these? Paper pins. I can't even think what these are. You know what I'm talking about. But those are cute. All right, and then these are, I want to say these are probably magnets, but I don't want to yank them out of there. So I'm pretty sure those are magnets. But isn't that an adorable little box of goodiness? All right, stick that back in there. Oops. Oops, poops. All right. Good thing I didn't work there. I would have all that top sheet off of all of them. Okay, so there's that. And then, okay, so let me see. All right, so then the last night entertainment, they kind of like were teasing us the whole time, like, well, what the heck, is our last night entertainment? And they kept referencing the Beatles, they kept referencing different things, and the Beatles had a Cirque du Soleil had a Beatles love show there. So some of us were like, I think that's what it is, and then some had other guests, and that's what it was. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. So while I was there, I did pick up, I usually try to pick up a magnet from our trips, and this was super cool. I usually try to get Eric a magnet, and I thought this was a magnet, and it's a pin, so I'm a dork, and Eric's like, well, that's okay, you know. All right, because he stayed home and babysat Winston. All right, so I'm going to spin the phone. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on, because I want to show you this super cute t-shirt. So what they did was they had like Beatles t-shirts on, right? So when they were talking on stage, so then you're just like, well, that's okay, but because they are quoting, you know, different Beatles things, so that's not a big deal. But then when we were like, saw it a few more times, and then the last day they came on with this t-shirt. Look how cute it is. And again, see, that's where those funny little stars, so they repeat here like they did on the whatchamacallit, the scarf. So then we're like, oh my gosh, it says love. And then they had like the Beatles actually were singing like at the end on the stage, and then we all got a t-shirt. So we went and picked up our t-shirt. So anyway, so that night we went to the Cirque du Soleil Love Beatles show. So if you are ever in Vegas, I don't know if they do it other places. They might, for all I know. If you ever are near where they're having it, I suggest you go, because it was, oh my gosh. I mean, from the very beginning, it was just like an overstimulated, like there was just so much to see, and I could see like a couple friends of mine, they're like, we lived there for 3 years and they saw it 3 different times, and I could totally see that, because you would see things right different. I mean, it's not going to be an identical show every time, because we're all human, right? Maybe someone's going to turn a different flip, I don't know, but it was amazing. So I would suggest that if you ever are near where you can go see it, even if you don't like the Beatles music, although I think everybody likes the Beatles music, it was really, really good. So I had a very good time. Like I said, I learned a lot. I can't wait to share, you know, ideas and try some different things that they suggested. But so I don't have anything to share like stamping wise today, because I have a lot of ribbon and embellishments to cut, so I can get my August classes in the mail. So watch for those if you took that class. Like I said, don't forget, today is the last day for my double rewards. There's only a couple seats left for my fall social, and that registration ends on the 30th, so that's just like hours away, right? If you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out. Otherwise, I will see you Friday for my dyes shorts, and that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. So thanks so much for joining me. I have missed you while I was gone, and next week we'll get back to our normal, regular programming, like it's a TV show. Okay, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you Friday. Have a great night. Thanks so much. Bye for now.